In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is Sales Analytics Dashboard in Close.com. The Sales Analytics Dashboard in Close gives you a real-time view of how your sales team is performing, how healthy your pipeline looks, and how activity is tracking over time. Instead of building reports manually in spreadsheets, Close helps you generate and customize these insights directly inside the platform. To get started, log in to your Close.com account. Once you're in, head over to the Reports section. This is where you'll find the analytics overview and the tools you need to adjust the dashboard based on the time period or team members you want to review. First, set the date filter to This Week. This is useful when you want a quick snapshot of recent performance, like call activity, sales progress, or short-term trends. It helps managers and reps stay focused on what's happening right now and whether goals are being met in the current week. Next, change the filter to This Quarter. This view gives you a broader perspective and is helpful for tracking progress against quarterly targets. It can show whether your team is pacing well, falling behind, or improving over a longer period than just a few days. You can also switch the filter to This Year. This is best for understanding long-term performance and larger trends. Looking at annual data can help you evaluate consistency, seasonality, and overall team output across a much wider time frame. After that, you can filter the dashboard by users and by agents with data. This makes it easier to narrow your view to specific team members or only display people who actually have recorded activity in the selected period. It's especially helpful when comparing performance or reviewing active contributors only. You can also set the leaderboard. The leaderboard is a simple way to rank performance and quickly identify top contributors based on selected metrics. It's a useful visual tool for coaching, accountability, and motivation. From there, click on the example metric showing 50 calls per day for all types. This lets you look more closely at call volume and the types of calls being tracked. It's a practical way to measure daily outreach activity. You can also select 250 calls per week with average duration. This gives added context because it's not only about how many calls were made, but also how long those conversations lasted. That combination can be helpful when reviewing both quantity and engagement. Once your overview is set up the way you want, click Save As. Then type a name for your activity overview so it's easy to recognize later. Finally, click Save to keep that customized report for future use. You can also export the data if you need your own copy of the reports and analytics. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.